Welcome to topic 2.3 Project Stakeholders. Project stakeholders are individuals or organizations who are actively involved in the project and whose interests are impacted by the outcome of the project. They exert certain amount of influence over the project and its result. Let's take a look at these stakeholders. It could be individuals, it could be organizations, the organization who has this vision of completing the project. It could be the project manager, who is of course the key point or the focal point of every project. It could be suppliers, who could be the material suppliers or the contractors on the project, the customers, the end users who will be using the project's product, the business partners who basically fund the project and have interest in the financial outcome. It could be the banks again who do investments into the project expecting returns at the end of the project. These are all different examples of these project stakeholders. Now let's look at some of these key stakeholders on a project. The key stakeholders on a given project could be the project manager, who is the individual and responsible for managing the project, managing the deliverables and the successful completion of the project. It could be the customer. Customer could be an individual or an organization that will use the project's product. The performing organization. It's an enterprise whose employees are directly involved into the day-to-day running of the project. It could be the project team members who basically manage the day-to-day functions of the project. It could be the sponsor. Sponsors are basically business partners, banks, suppliers that provide financial resources to the project. Well guys, this is followed by the stakeholder expectations. Managing stakeholder expectations may be difficult because stakeholders often have many different objectives that may come into conflict. Let's take an example of this departmental store that has requested a new MIS system. The departmental store has a manager who basically desires low cost. He wants the system to be developed within the minimum budget. On the other hand, the system architect is the one who emphasizes on having technical excellence. He wants the best available solutions in the market. Third could be the programming contractor, the contractor who is actually going to develop the system, and he is more interested in his profit. So he tries to give you minimum with the maximum returns for him. Now these are all the various stakeholders, and the departmental store is our customer. It's very important to manage the differences between or among these stakeholders, and we should ensure that the final customer, the departmental store, gets what it is desired for. Finding an appropriate solution to such differences can be a major challenge. Satisfying everybody and delivering the best final product to the customer is a challenge in its own way. This brings you to the end of the project stakeholders topic 2.3. Thank you.